The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox has arrived, and it's more than just a facelift, this is a complete transformation. Chevy's best-selling crossover has evolved with a bolder look, smarter technology, and a greater focus on driver experience. Whether you're already a fan of the Equinox or just exploring compact SUVs, the 2025 model might just surprise you. Let's dive into what's new, what stands out, and what might make it your next daily driver, right here on Drive Trend. From the first glance, it's clear that Chevy wasn't playing it safe this time. The Equinox now carries a more aggressive and modern aesthetic. Its wider grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a sharper presence on the road. It's no longer just practical, it's stylish too. You'll notice 3 trims available: LT, the new Sporty RS, and the Rugged Active, which brings a bit of an off-road vibe into the mix. Each trim has distinct design elements, making it easier for buyers to find something that fits their personality. Under the hood, Chevy has kept things simple with a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine paired with a CVT in front-wheel drive models and an 8-speed automatic for all-wheel drive. It pushes out 175 horsepower and around 203 pound-feet of torque. Now, it's not a powerhouse, but it's smooth, efficient, and ideal for everyday commuting. Fuel economy estimates aren't official yet, but we expect something in the ballpark of 30 mpg combined, which should satisfy most buyers in this segment. Inside, the Equinox is where Chevy really stepped up. Gone are the plain plastics and conservative layout. Now, you're greeted with a fresh, driver-centric cockpit that feels more refined and high-tech. Every trim comes standard with an 11.3-inch touchscreen running Google built-in, including Google Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also included, no subscription needed. You'll also find physical climate controls beneath the screen, a nice balance between digital and tactile usability. Comfort-wise, the Equinox offers spacious seating for 5, with improved seat padding and more attention to materials. The RS brings a sporty interior theme with red accents and contrast stitching, while the Active trim gives you a more rugged vibe with suede-like inserts and earthy tones. Rear seat space is ample, and cargo volume remains competitive, with a flat loading floor and adjustable rear seatbacks. When it comes to safety, Chevy has made the entire Chevy Safety Assist suite standard across all trims. That means you get automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, following distance indicator, and more without paying extra. Optional features include adaptive cruise control, a surround view camera system, and rear pedestrian alert. And yes, Super Cruise is still not available, but for a vehicle in this class and price range, that's not a deal breaker. The drive itself, it's smooth and composed. The suspension does a good job of soaking up rough patches, and steering is light yet responsive. It's not sporty by any means, but it's nimble enough for city driving and relaxed enough for longer road trips. The RS trim adds a sportier suspension tune and some aesthetic tweaks, while the Active gets unique tires and slight underbody protection for light off-road trails. One area worth keeping an eye on is pricing. Chevy hasn't released official numbers yet, but we expect a starting price just under $30,000 for the base LT trim. The RS and Active will likely push closer to the mid-30s when optioned up. That's still competitive, especially given the standard tech and safety features you're getting. So, is the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox worth considering? If you're looking for a compact SUV that combines bold styling, smart features, and solid value, it absolutely is. It's no longer just a practical choice, it's a statement in a segment filled with safe designs and familiar names. That wraps up our look at the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Equinox. What do you think? Is this redesign enough to win you over, or are you holding out for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car reviews and auto news, right here on Drive Trend, where we bring the road to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.